Kakahuli lang eh. So, mahirap yung magko-conclude ka. Halimbawa, sinabi ka agad ng presidente, hindi yan galing dito sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ba sapat yung merong nasabat na 13 billion pesos na halaga ng 2 toneladang illegal na droga at mismo ang Pangulo andun?
Hoy!
Di ba? Kasi kung gumagamit ka, kakabahan ka nun. Hindi ba yun pwedeng maging patunay na hindi talaga siya gumagamit kasi nandun siya sa war on drugs. Biruin mo, isang driver, isang van na puno ng 2,000 kilos ng illegal na droga. Di ko lang alam bakit napasok siya sa checkpoint.
At dinaan sa checkpoint, partner.
Dinaan sa checkpoint. At ang tanong pa, anong brand nung sasakyan? Kasi kaya pa. Tsaka ano yung classification ng lisensya ng driver? Kasi magaling. 2,000 kilo yan. Tapos namaneho na niya. 13 billion pesos. Hindi ba yun sapat na ma'am, para burahin natin ang duda?
Ang duda na, anong duda ang binubura natin?
Yung duda na gumagamit siya. Kasi war on drugs at wala daw namatay. Ang tanong lang, wala ring nahuli na kanino yung
Pwede naman palang walang matsugi.
Oo, pwedeng walang matsugi. Ano bang masasabi mo dyan? Pwede na ba itong gabi?
Ang tingin ko ito yung sagot nila eh. So with the clamor, tsaka syempre, umiikot. People will talk. We can't prevent people from talking. So people are talking about supposedly yung kanyang dating paggagamit ng bawal na gamot. Umiikot yung kwento na ganyan, tapos of course umiikot, meron pang mga PIDEA documents and so on, di ba? Tapos this drug bust ay supposedly parang pinapakita nila na without answering the question directly, no? O kita nyo, we're doing this, we're busting the illegal drugs and so on. How can you accuse me of that when I'm being tough on drugs? Pero, so yun yung niya. I think it is a form of a message. They're trying to deal with many issues at the same time. So this is a communications problem for them. So they're trying to answer too many things. Number one, may rising criminality. Ang daming nagsasabing, naku, laganap na ang droga, mura na, balik na yung mga pusher, mga dealer, ganyan. So, in order to answer that issue, ito may big drug bust. But at the same time, mainit yung, dapat magpa-drug test yan. Oh no, I'm going to show them that I am tough on drugs. Ganyan. But at the same time, meron ding issue na yung dating drug war. Di ba? Yung meron pang ICC, meron pang all of this, na binabato naman nila sa kay dating Pangulong Duterte. So, isama din nila yan. While doing all of this, meron silang parang pitik dun sa former administration na at least dito, nag-drug bust kami, walang patay. Parang ganon. With an allusion to the previous administration, supposedly or allegedly bloody war on drugs. So, and the problem is, hindi na malinaw because they were trying to do too many things at the same time. Also, medyo hindi maganda yung script. Parang pinalalabas nila na ito ay bunga ng masusing pag-iimbestiga, na ito yung polisiya nila, they are tough on drugs and so on, but forgetting the fact that nung ninanarrate ng pulis yung pagkahuli is that this was actually a checkpoint stop. Nagkataon lang daw. So, kumbaga, hindi buo yung kwento. They didn't get all their ducks in a row. They didn't spot all the loopholes. Parang excited sila. Uy, meron tayong bust. Ganito. So, sige, let's put this in. The other problem I think they're trying to solve as a communications problem is yung sliding popularity. Diba? The last surveys indicated that the president had slipped down to about an average something like 55% trust and approval rating. So they're trying to do that also, trying to redo his image, make him look like he's on the go, he's hands-on, he's doing something, he's naghahandle pa siya ng sarili niyang press briefing and so on. So that was another problem. They were also trying to deal with all in one go. Kumbaga, cramming ito. Ang communications issues, paplanuhin nyo yan and you have to think about the answers. Pero dito, nagpapaano sila, they want to create a distraction, they want to prop up the image of the president, gusto nilang pitikin si former President Duterte, they also want to remove from the main issue the alleged previous drug use of the president. So kung ako yan, ihati-hati ninyo yung problema and deal with it separately but at the same time containing a unified message. Unfortunately, hindi po nga yun nagagawa, particularly when you're not planning your responses. At saka yung kumbaga, parang spur of the moment ito kaya ang daming kulang, ang daming loopholes, ang daming details, pero at the same time sinasabi ng PNP na nag-iimbestiga pa sila. Which for me is ridiculous. May nahuli, then announce the investigation. Huwag na po kayong magdagdag ng additional kasi otherwise you get bound by what you're saying now. And on hindsight, you'll find it make mistake.
Kaya siguro iimbestigahan pa, ma'am, kasi nagkataon lang na yata, di ba, na nahuli. Wala ba?
Yes, it was.
Hindi ba nauna yung
May-
investigasyon at monitoring, casing doon sa operation? Kaya siguro later na yung investigasyon kasi
To follow na, to follow.
Napakaswerte. Parang kagaya lang yan sa ma'am, loan better na laging nananalo. Talagang maraming mga
Hindi,
laki.
ang problema ko is may mga conclusions already. Kakahuli lang So mahirap yung magko-conclude ka. Halimbawa, sinabi ka agad ng presidente, hindi yan galing dito sa Pilipinas. Definitely dinala yan dito. So, pero sinasabi ng PNP, nag-iimbestiga pa sila. Hindi pa nga nila alam at the time kung ano yung role ng driver. Ngayon, alam natin that the driver, kinontrata lang siya. He didn't know that he was carrying illegal cargo. Pero, di ba, paano yun? Paano yung papagtagpi-tagpiin yung story? Kung gumagawa ka na ng conclusion, hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon. You wait. What you do is, I'm proud of the PNP, listo sila, nahuli nila to. They were able to detect a suspicious van, whatever that means, and found that merong karga na ganitong kontrabando. Hopefully, malinis yung search. Otherwise, ayan na, magkakaroon ng maraming issue na naman tayo. They will be now on the defensive explaining the errors of this entire story.
Ako, mukhang tingin namin, ma'am, isa lang makikinabang dito, yung brand ng ban, mantekan mo, 2 tonelada. Naku, sisikat yun, partner. Matibay na ban.
Kaya pala
Kaya ng 2 tons ng karga.
Oh.